I'm Raphael. I'm going into 7th grade and I'm here with kids on campus. Today we're making stuff on the wheel, and I think we're doing a little bit more glazing later. We've learned how to make a pinch pot, we've learned how to make tiles, boxes, how to use the wheel to make pottery. We've learned how to decorate clay tiles, and we've learned how to use molds to make dishes. In my opinion, the funnest part is the wheel, because it's a really hands-on activity and you get to shape it, and it's really cool to watch it form. In this camp, we get to do lots of fun activities, like, again, working with the wheel, glazing, which is like painting our pottery. We get to carve, shape. It's just really cool and fun.